इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे कंप्यूटर बेस्ड मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ बैंडविड्थ इन नेटवर्क? आंसर इज फर्स्ट वन, ट्रांसमिशन कैपेसिटी ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन चैनल। द ब्रेन ऑफ एनी कंप्यूटर सिस्टम इज CPU. Answer is CPU. Which of the following is not a networking device? Answer is Linux. Dash program provides access to web resources. Answer is browser. Which one of the following is not a computer programming language? Answer is Android. A hard disk is divided into tracks which are further subdivided into sectors. Answer is second one, sectors. Dash is the Microsoft's latest entry into the programming arena. Answer is .NET. Second one. What type of geographical model is used to define a database? Answer is ER diagram. Which of the following computer languages is a mathematically oriented language used for scientific problems? Answer is Fortran. VoIP stands for, answer is second one, voice over IP. Oracle is dash. Answer is RDBMS. Powerful keys that let you exit a program when pushed. Answer is escape key. The part of a computer that coordinates all its functions is called its, answer is fourth one, control unit. Date and time are available on the desktop at, answer is taskbar. BIT is a short form of binary digit. Answer is fifth one, binary digit. The internet was originally a project for which government agency? Answer is ARPA. Clock speed is a speed at which dash executes instructions. Answer is microprocessor. Dash transmits one bit of a byte, one at a time, as a single bit stream of bits. Answer is serial port. Disk access time is total time taken by the computer to process a data request. Answer is first one. Personal logs or journal entries posted on the web are known as blogs. Answer is third one. Firewalls are used to protect against, answer is unauthorized attacks. Answer is first one. SMTP stands for Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. Most worldwide web pages contain commands in the language. Answer is HTML. In binary algebra, A plus B can be implemented by, answer is OR gate. The first network was ARPANET. Answer is fourth one. Communication between a computer and a keyboard involves dash transmission. Answer is simplex transmission. The structure or format of data is called, answer is syntax. The OS X has, answer is second one, hybrid kernel. Which one of the following error will be handled by the operating system? Answer is all of the above. Power failure, lack of power in printer, connection failure in the network. To access the services of operating system, the interface is provided by the, answer is system calls. Dash is the process of carrying out commands. Answer is executing. Coded entries which are used to gain access to a computer system are called passwords. Answer is passwords. A function can return only, answer is single value. A bug means, answer is mistake in a program or error in the working of computer. The collection of communication lines and routers form the, answer is communication subnet. A symbol on the screen that represents a disk, document or program that you can select is known as, answer is icon. Operating system is also called the dash between the user and the computer. Answer is interface. Hard copy is a term used to describe, answer is printed output. What is the shortcut key to create a new document? Answer is third one, Control N. What do .doc, .xls, .exe, etc. represent in a computer system? Answer is file extensions.